Are you curious about the new mystery drama Apple's Never Fall that's taking the UK by storm with its captivating storyline and stellar cast? It's no wonder viewers are eagerly awaiting its premiere on BBC One and iPlayer. But is there any truth to the story, or is it purely fictional? And let's dive in and find out. Apples Never Fall is a 7-episode series that promises to keep you on the edge of your seat with its unexpected twists and turns. The show is based on the novel of the same name by Liane Moriarty, who is known for her work on Big Little Lies. The series features a talented cast, including Annette Bening and Sam Neill, and is a must-watch for any mystery drama fan. The story revolves around the Delaney family, who are left in shock when the matriarch, Joy, goes missing. As they search for answers, they uncover hidden secrets that challenge everything they thought they knew about their family. But is this story based on a true event? The answer is no. And while the story is inspired by real life crime podcasts, the tale itself is entirely fictional. Liane Moriarty drew inspiration from multiple cases of missing persons involving married couples. But the story is not based on any particular case. Moriarty was inspired to write the story during the COVID-19 lockdown period while listening to true crime podcasts. She wanted to explore the emotions of a child whose mother had vanished, and the complexities that arise when suspicion falls on the father. In summary, Apples Never Fall is a fictional story that offers a gripping viewing experience. While it is inspired by real life crime podcasts, the story is not based on any particular case. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the drama that unfolds on BBC One and iPlayer. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And don't forget to oh, and here's a little joke for you. Why did the apple stop in the middle of the road? Because it ran out of juice. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.